Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. Just a few quick answers. A few quick answers questioned. No, a few quick questions answered. Okay, there's a few people I noticed still asking, how do I contact you? How do I buy one of those kits? So to answer that question, okay, personalized service. I've said this before in other videos, but yep, there's lots of videos, and I understand you may be fairly new to the channel, so do yourself a favor, go back and watch all those other videos. There's heaps of awesome information there, and I try not to redo things over and over again, because the people that have been here for watching, following my information for years, and the channel, I suppose, since it started just over a year ago, they don't want to hear the same thing over and over again. So it's a bit of a balance. I hope you understand that. So to answer the question, how do I contact you? How do I get one of those kits? The answer is, you shoot me a text message, okay? So don't ring me. The phone doesn't ring. If I don't know you, it's not stored in the phone doesn't actually ring. It goes straight to voicemail, and that voicemail is going to be really long and tell you exactly what I'm telling you now. Unfortunately, I've got hundreds or thousands of people that want to ring me. I'm unable to do that, okay? But we want to keep it a personalized service. So if you've got questions, you post them in the Facebook groups. If you want to provide some feedback, some comments to give us ideas for other videos, then feel free to ask those questions and put stuff in the comments on the YouTube channel. That's fine, but don't expect it to be answered then in text. I'm very busy. Okay, so if you want to contact me, say for example you want to purchase a parts kit, you want to book your car into the Prado Hospital and get some service work done, you need to send a text message with your name, your full name, as I've said before, not just your first name. I've got a lot of Steves, Johns, and etc. Right? So we need a name there. We need a vehicle, Prado or Hilux, whatever it is, what year it is, how many Ks it's done. Try and keep it brief. I just want to say thank you to all the people that do watch and listen to this information. It makes it easier for you and me. So what will happen then, depending what you send me a message, what you need, whether I can help you or not, I may send you a link to a video. I feel like I said this before in a video recently, but anyway, I'll try and keep it brief. I may send you a link to a video for some more information. It's important that you watch that and watch it till the end, because it may have your pricing there and availability. It'll show you what sorts of things are included in those kits, or it may be about service work, what's included for what price, whatever it may be, right? So please watch the video. Please reply and say, thanks, got that, yep, I'm watching it, or I'll watch it tomorrow, or I'll watch it next week, and then text me back and say, watch that video now. Now I know I don't need your help with anything, thanks anyway, because I went and watched that video, or yep, I know what I need now. And look, if need be, we can have a brief phone conversation about it, okay? So we can do that if we need to, but obviously the phone conversations, they end up taking some time, and look, I just haven't got the time for it, unfortunately. As I said, there's times that it needs to happen. We can do that when it needs to happen, because it is a personalized service. There's no website, okay? So if it was just about selling the parts kits, we'd have every part under the sun available for every make and model, and we'd be an online store, and you probably wouldn't hear from me. It'd be just like everyone else if it was just about the money, okay? The reason we have put these kits together and do the work is, and recommend those recommended repairers, so that you get the right parts the first time, the whole lot, make it easy for you, and the right work done, the right repairers getting the job done right the first time. Because what keeps me busiest of all is problems with people getting the wrong parts, not complete kits, not doing the job right, not getting the job done right, causing problems. Then they hit Google, and that's how they find me. So we're doing a really good job, I'll tell you. It is successful. We're doing a really good job avoiding a lot of these problems. There used to be a lot less people that found me and a lot more problems. Now we've got a lot more people and a lot less problems. So it is working. So please watch the information, study it carefully. If you need to contact me for some parts kits, please be aware I only work school hours, Melbourne time, okay? So 9 till 3. The best time to contact me, if you want to be on the correct side of me and get some parts organised, you just shoot me a text. After 9 AM Monday morning's the best time, okay? We'll get it all happening Monday morning. If not, hopefully in the afternoon. If not, it might bleed into Tuesday, but then during the week we've got other stuff to get done. And it's going to need, look, at the moment I've been a bit flexible. When I've got time, I'll get it done throughout the week. But it's going to have to wait until next week, the Monday sort of thing. You know, Monday is parts day, as in, look, don't get me wrong, if you want to text me Sunday night at 9 p.m. and say, hey, just giving you the heads up, I'm, you know, keen to order and pay for an injector kit tomorrow, or whatever it is, or, you know, big front engine kit, whatever you want, okay, you can go ahead and do that. If you, throughout the week, you know, Wednesday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you just want to grab some more info, shoot me a text, say, hey, I just wanted some more info on the big front engine kit, what's in there and the pricing. Feel free to do that anytime you like, you'll get a reply. But for the actual orders and processing, you know, there's a lot of time that goes into it. I've said it before, there's a lot of time goes into putting all these kits together. We've got a Prado here on the roundabout there. I'm going to wait, see if it's someone we know. Oh geez, I don't need to wait. Here he goes, he's taken off. Who's that? Is that someone I know? Unless you got to see the sticker. I don't know, it looks particularly sus. I reckon to be someone that's on Oz Prado crew. Okay, so see, easily distracted. Where was I? Anyway, you get the picture. So thank you for the people that are listening and doing the right thing. Awesome. And if you hadn't got the message yet, this is for you. Please shoot me a text. Don't call. I'll call you. Unless I say, yeah, you give me a call now, or whatever the case may be. Look, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to call. If need be, I'll call you. But you need to, say for example, you want to get those front wheel bearings for the Prado or the Hilux, whatever it is. You text me that, I'll text you the video type thing, you know what I mean? And then once you watched it, look, we're probably not going to need to have a conversation. That's why it's really quick, efficient. We've got it in writing. There's no confusion, okay? So there's no, oh, I want this and that, and, you know, you're too quick, bang, boom, bum, bum, you know? It's like, there it is. The whole history's there in the text message, okay? So, all right, guys. What else can I tell you? Give you a bit of a tech tip. What have I got? This isn't planned, right? So 7 minutes. Look, I kept it pretty short. What have I got for you? What am I doing today? I'm just trying to think of something that I can tell you so that it's not just that information. So school hours, Monday to Friday, we covered that. Look, I don't really want to get text messages on the weekend, so if you can refrain, that would be awesome. Yeah, I don't know what else I've got for you. Yeah, I was trying to come up with a tech tip or something, you know, something to do with a vehicle. I don't know, what did someone ask a question on something? I can't remember. Look, I'm going to do another video. Sorry about that. I'm going to do another video soon, and it's going to be quite long, I think. As soon as I get a spare hour or something like that, I'm working on trying to find that hour, and I'm going to go through all the questions, comments on the YouTube channel, going from the most recent ones, working backwards. I'm going to try and work through them swiftly as possible. I'm going to answer a few. I'm going to say, look, you know, some of them you just can't answer. So that's what I said, don't expect an answer. If you want to go off topic and ask a specific question, it's not going to get an answer there. If you're going to ask a question that's related, then I'll think, yeah, I should have put that in the video. But don't be one of the ones. Sometimes people ask a question because they only watch the first 5 minutes and they didn't watch the other 15 minutes or whatever it is, and then they start asking questions. Well, I'm just thinking, if you watch the whole video, you wouldn't have to ask that question. So I'm not going to answer any questions if the information's in the video. And please be aware, before you ask a question, if it's a specific question like that, have you searched our YouTube channel? Search for Before Diesel for that question. What engine oil should I use, or how much oil does it take, or whatever the case may be. And if you've got a genuine question that you put in a comment that I think that I haven't covered, or you include in the comment, hey, I searched your channel for this and I can't find it, well, guess what? That's what I'm thinking about doing a video on. And if someone else sends a text saying the same thing, so it's more than one person. If one person says it, yeah, probably 100 people are thinking it, maybe, you know, something like that. So if a few people are saying it, if I get the same thing a few times, I'm gonna nail that one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. There you go, a bit under 10 minutes. Sorry about that, but I hope you got that information. Like I said, a lot of people got it anyway. I know there's a lot of people that are new, and you think, oh, what's the number? Well, if you waited till the end, 0490 261 013. But if you watch those other videos, you'll see every now and then there's a page I pull out and I show that both the YouTube channels, yep, we got two, and all the Facebook pages and that matter, including my name on Facebook, and the fact that there's a phone number that you can text. That's how you make contact, to make it personal. It's me. I answer the phone, the text message, everything. That's me. Okay, so it's not like magic, you know, like a website where who knows, 20 employees, who knows if you're going to get the right parts, the right order, how long it's going to take. I do all the orders. I take the payments. I check the payments. I pack the orders. I get the parts. I send the parts. Well, every now and then I get help with some of these things. All the easy jobs, I might get a little bit of help, but basically it's me doing most things. So you can rest assured. That's why it's right the first time, every time. Yes, we all make mistakes, but we're just waiting for that to happen. No, just joking. Just trying to say it is pretty good. Don't believe me, believe the comments of what people say. So I'll just keep talking, don't I? All right, if you haven't already, if you got something out of that, hopefully that was helpful info. Give us a thumbs up. Keep an eye out for that page that I whip out in videos. Go and watch some other videos and you'll find it. It's often towards the end. You might even see it as a preview in some of the videos, in the thumbnail, so just have a flick through. And yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe, and as I say, turn that bell on so you don't miss the next important message, that next bit of important information. When it goes ding and you get that email, you can either watch it straight away if you've got time, otherwise watch it later that night when you get home, whatever the case may be. There's always a time to watch it, and a lot of people would tell you it's probably some of the most important information you can get your hands on, because it's good, it's reliable. I'm not trying to sell you anything, it doesn't bother me. What I provide, it's trying to help you. I'll tell you things you don't need. You know, if I didn't care, I'd just sell you all those things like everybody else does. Honest, and with the information on why. Okay, so it's all there. All right guys, thanks for watching. Bada bing, bada boom. Catch up.